How to add a new eSIM on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Cellular. Next, we scroll down, then tap on Add eSIM. Next in here, you can either transfer from nearby iPhone if you are transferring your eSIM from another iPhone, or if you have a QR code, you can use it. So here, tap on Use QR code. In here, there are two methods. You can either scan QR code or you can enter the details manually. So if you want to enter the details manually, you need to get this information from your network provider. So you need to enter in the SMDP plus address, the activation code, and the confirmation code. Okay, so if you want to do it manually, this is how you can do it. The other ways is to use the QR code. So here I have downloaded my QR code, so I can simply just scan it. So here it is, it's scanned the code, and we're just now waiting for the app to proceed. It is now in waiting mode. And here say activate eSIM. So your new eSIM from my network provider is ready to activate. So tap on the continue button, and it is now activating my eSIM. So this shouldn't take too long. Just gonna wait for it to finish. Now the QR code can again, you can get the QR code from your network provider. You can log into their website and then request an eSIM, and usually it takes only an hour to a few hours to issue a new eSIM, and from there you can grab the QR code and use the camera to scan it. Here it says cellular setup complete. Your eSIM is now active on this iPhone. So tap on done and then tap on continued. So here we got primary, and the next one is travel. So here you can choose a custom label such as eSIM, or you can call it home or work, maybe work eSIM. So work eSIM, and then return, and that's it. We tap on done and then tap on continued. And here I've got the primary SIM card and the work eSIM. Then I will choose the default line as my primary and then tap on continued. And then tap on continued again. And then here you can choose to allow cellular data. So allow cellular data switching, turn it on or switch it off. And then from here you can choose which one is the main one. So choose your default line for cellular data, so primary, and then tap on done. And that's it. So we have now added the eSIM, and that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.